Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make a beautiful crochet granny square that is so simple and so easy, and it is a basic stitch that you must know about crocheting, that how to make a simple and basic granny square. For that I get the yarn of 3 mm, and the hook size is 3.5 mm. So let's start. Before starting, please subscribe my channel, like my video and share my video. Kindly comment on my video that what improvement that you want from my videos and what you learn from my videos. Kindly tell me all about your crochet journey. Thank you so much. Now I'm going to start the granny square. For that I'll make a magic circle that is like this. There we will create a cross. Take the hook from this, take the yarn over from this magic circle, pull this yarn like this. Now 3 chains, two double crochet in the magic circle, like this. Now 3 chains, three double crochet, three chains, again 3 double crochets, three chain, three double crochet, and at last we will make again 3 chains and slip stitch. Now we have to pull over the yarn like this. This is a simple basic granny square. It is so beautiful and elegant, and now I am going to make it bigger. 3 chains, double crochet in all the next chains, three chains, one double crochet in chain space. You should have to make an extra double crochet in this chain space. That will be an increase in the size of granny square. This double crochet is an increase in the size of this side. Now we will make double crochet on all the next chains. This is an increase in this is an increased double crochet here in this chain space. Now 3 chains. There is a one more increased double crochet in this chain space. Now double crochet in all the next chains. Now this is an increased double crochet here, 3 chains, one more increased double crochet here, double crochet on all the chains, and increase double crochet in this chain space, 3 chains, one more increased double crochet of this side. Now we have to lock it with a slip stitch in 3rd chain. Here is little bigger than previous one. You can increase its size according to your choice. You just have to repeat the same process in all the rounds to make it bigger and bigger. And increase double crochet, 3 chains, and increase double crochet of other side, double crochet on all the chains, and increase double crochet in this chain space, chain 3, and increase double crochet of this side, double crochet on all the sides, on all the chains, we will repeat all the process throughout the round. Then I'll show you what is the final look of the granny square. After reaching the end point, we will lock it by using slip stitch at the 3rd chain like this. This is a simple basic granny square. Now we will make another step and I'll show you more bigger than this. Here is a beautiful simple granny square. You can make this with a very simple procedure.